Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. I am DK. I am practicing English. I am improving my English every day. But if I can speak English, you can also speak. So let's speak English together. Actually, do you want to speak English fluently? Listen to me. What did I say? Do you want to speak English fluently? Are you searching a good platforms? Don't worry. You don't need to go anywhere. I have all the solutions. Okay. I have all the solutions. Did you understand? But what will have to do? You must join online DK spoken English classes. So guys, today I am going to talk about my village. Understand? Today I'm going to talk about my village. You also repeat sentence. What did I say? You also repeat sentence. So my village name is Singarua. There are it is a big and beautiful. There are green fields every day. People wake up early in the morning. Children go to a school happily. Okay. Farmers work in the field every day. The air is fresh and clean. Farming is main work in my village. Most people, most people grow rice, wheat, and vegetables. I am proud of my village. I safe in my village. My village has a government school. Okay, so actually children study there. My village has a big pond. There is also a temple called Bajrang Bali. Got it? Many people worship there. Many birds come near the pond and drink water from the pond. Did you understand? So people help each other in the every situations. So I love my village so much. Did you understand? I think everybody love his our village. That you can see the my village. You can see there everywhere green and clean. You can see the my village. Yes, I am looking. Okay, this is okay. Farmer grow the what potatoes. This is called potatoes, and I think you able to see farmer is working in the field just now. So I hope thank you so much watching. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep keep studying, keep growing. Okay, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.